So I then sent the transaction one more time. I then found the liquidity pair tokens that were created. These are the tokens that essentially are the only way for access to the liquidity pool. If I swap these tokens, it would basically be like pulling all of the liquidity in exchange for these tokens. That's what I would be swapping, and we don't want that. And then I burn the liquidity pair tokens. Even though it says not to burn the liquidity pair tokens. We destroyed them and burned them. And on the Blockchain Explorer SolScan, it is verifiable that the liquidity pair tokens was burned. If you look at the transaction on SolScan, it will literally show you and tell you that the liquidity pair tokens were burned, all 10 million of them. So that was essentially how launch happened. We did everything we needed to do. I forgot to load the token into the token manager or the metadata manager. So I did not at this time remove mutable data, mutable metadata. However, when I got back home from work later on in the day, we did change that. So the metadata is no longer mutable, which means nothing can be changed about the information of the cryptocurrency federal on Solana. So this was pretty much it. For the rest of the video, it's pretty much just chart action. There's nothing else important to go over. I want to thank everybody for being a part of this, and I certainly want to tell everyone here, especially if you're watching all the way to the end of this video, there is issues with Radium. Administrators from Radium have claimed that they have a automatic router that allows flux beam liquidity pools to be listed on Radium. However, for some reason, Radium is just not working. We have grown a lot. We grew a lot in the first 24 hours by thousands of %. And unfortunately, it seems Radium is just a giant headache. And even though Radium is a headache, we're not really worried about it because you can easily trade us on Bird Eye. You can trade us on Trojan, the Trojan bot. If you go to the website, all the links and buttons are there. Everything is updated. The Discord is quite well built. We just need some more graphics. There's certainly a lot going on, especially when it comes to the development of the lotteries. The lotteries are going to be a very exciting time. We do plan on launching them within the next couple of days, actually. We have information probably going to push a lot of politified type based things. The Federal Reserve meeting is today. Later today, we are going to host a Twitter space about it and get hype on Twitter. We're gonna raid all over Twitter and get the name out there, because the Federal Reserve meeting will certainly be a hot topic for a lot of people. And if we can get the Fed name out there, the federal name out there, I'm sure people will be pretty interested, and we might catch a good trend. We are looking to do a press release on CoinMarketCap. We are in the midst of, we already applied for CoinGecko. We're waiting to hear back from them now within the next 48 hours, I believe. We're in the middle of applying for CoinMarketCap. We will make posts of the request forms, identification numbers, of course. So those will be posted on Twitter to try and help verify the validity of the listing requests. There's certainly a lot to be done. We're gonna just keep building. Even the community wants to build. Things are getting very exciting with how we're all working together and collaborating and building and coming up with more ideas. We do have a new utility in which we are building upon that nobody has, and it is utilizing blockchain data in a whole new way. We're using APIs to pull data from Solana blockchain, and we're using that data in ways that apparently no one is really doing. So if you're interested, definitely go to the website, fedsol.net. Very simple website name, fedsol.net. That's fedsol.net. fedsol.net. All the information is on the website. Also, there's much more information in the Telegram. The Telegram has been home base since the start. Actually, before the start. The Telegram has been the start. However, we've certainly been connecting and branching out and growing. We're well over I think 150 members in the Telegram already. The Twitter now has over 5,000 followers, and it's only been a couple days. We have a lot of things going on. We have a lot of connections. We have a giant Twitter list. We have a list of Twitter lists just for rating and posting. We also have quite a few connections on Twitter. Some Twitter family guys, really good people. Also, I am friends with a couple of developers who are watching, and things are definitely going amazing. I wouldn't have had anything any other way. There's honestly no reason to just keep building. There's so much in store for this project, especially with all of you. I still don't have any tokens, and I'm the blockchain developer of this entire project. I wanted to make sure that we had integrity as number one priority, transparency as number two, community as number three, marketing is number four. Now make sure you go to the website, join the Telegram. Thank you, everyone. We're going to keep building. I'll talk to you all soon. Thank you very much. The transaction did not go through.